Okay, everyone, I always talk about where to start. And my suggestion, if you are wanting to get into doing the manicures at your own pace or in your own home, is to start with the kits. We have 3 of them available. Today, I'll be showing you the beginner kit. This one is very budget friendly and it's pretty dang cute. For $70. You can find this in the kits and collection section of the website. The main thing you're going to get in this one is a 2-finger lamp. So this little mini lamp comes in pink, black, or baby pink. The other one is like a hot pink, which is really pretty. It's got a button here to turn it on. I don't have this plugged in or it would turn on. And you can turn it off if you're going to do a flash cure, so you don't have to have it on for the full 60 seconds. And it's going to hold your 2 fingers or a couple of toes if you're going to do your feet. This one is too cute, way too cute not to mention. It's perfect for beginners, for little kids, or people who are on the go, because this does have a USB plug if you want to use it with USB. So you're going to get a lamp in this. The mini nail file, which has the file on one side, which is the white, and the buffer on the back, which is the gray side. You're also going to get a handy dandy cuticle pusher. I love these tools. You can use these for multiple things. Not only to just push back your cuticles with this, it works great for removal. I like to flip it over and use backwards for removal so that you're not gouging your nails with the pusher. And this side you can use for lots of things. You can mix things with your clear coat, like either chromes in the clear coat, mix polishes. I like to also, before this cures, if I get a little bit of polish on my skin, I like to use this just to lightly scrape the excess polish off before it cures. So you're going to get the cuticle pusher. You're going to get a box of 50 cleanser pads. It might help to show you instead of myself. So you'll get a 50 pack of the cleanser pads, which you're going to need for application. And then in this box, you're going to get your choice of one color. So your polish is going to look like this. And the polish is good for about up to 20 applications, just all depending on, how many coats of polish you're going to use each application. So this is what you are going to get in your beginner kit. And by purchasing it all in the kit, you're going to save $12.35. The option with this is going to be your choice of the remover. So you're going to either get a box of remover pads, which is 100 remover pads, gentle care, and they've got 33% less acetone than what the normal ones were running. Or our bottled brush-on remover, which is called Flake Off, and this is actually acetone free. So this would be my recommendation because it is actually a little bit better for your nails with not having any of the acetone in there. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, please let me know.